Hello, how are you? Fridolin here. I want to wish you a happy new year. New year comes new resolution. Is what other resolution you set for the year 2023 is taking care of your skin for your health and beauty. One of them. We have 10% skin bundle sales for new customers that can help you achieve that if that is one of your goals. It is simple, it delivers results, and it is affordable. It is simple. It actually consists of cleanser, tonic, day lotion, night cream, and the eye cream. The skin regimen not just maintains your skin condition, it also repair the aging concerns and also protect your skin from future damages there. And peptides, probiotic, prebiotic, antioxidant, brightening compounds, and essential nutrients are abundant in these skin treatments. They deliver results. First, it preserves and promote the health of the skin microbiome. Researchers have shown us the importance of healthy microbiome to our overall health. And not only what we eat and the lifestyle we have affects the health of the microbiome, what we put on our skin plays a key role in it. And the microbiome-friendly skincare is designed to preserve the diversity and the richness of the microbes, and hence promote the health of the microbiome. TruAura has a clinical study that proven that we do deliver that results. And the second result is it deliver the clinical improvement on aging concerns. We have a clinical study that showed 84 to 100% of women experience clinical measured improvement of the reduction of the crow's feet, and also the improvement of the fine lines, the smoothness, the radiance, and also the dark circle on the eyes there. So those are the two. I will show you the study later in a slide. It is also affordable in the skin 5-piece bundle. The regular is $208. With a 10% off, it comes down to be $187.20. And then we have a TLC program that if you sign up, it will only cost you $159.12. It will last you 3 months. That's according to my client. So it comes down to be the daily cost of retail is $2.08. And the TLC is $1.77. Okay, so if it sounds exciting to you and you would like to take action, just reach out to me via message or text or email, or you can book a call with me on calendly.com/Frida Weiland. So now let me show you the things I want to share with you. Okay, so see here, this is the first study that by a microbiome lab that on 37 women during 8 weeks period of time, and at the end we were clinical proven that we do preserve the richness and diversity of the skin microbiome. This is the second clinical study that shows about 84 to 100% of women there clinically experience the improvement on all the aging concerns. And here are just a little bit rundown of what it will cost you. So thank you so much for listening, and I have a great new year, and I hope to hear from you. Thank you. Bye-bye.